Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to unban your Twitter account. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go back to your screen. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and click right here, the help.twitter.com. Again, help.twitter.com, and basically you're going to be able to see a website just like this. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just type right here appeal, right? And if your account was banned or locked, you're going to be able to go ahead to locked or suspended account. So I'm going to just go ahead right here to locked or suspended account. Now if your account is locked or suspended, right here you're going to just go ahead and click this first option, and here it says you're currently not logged in, so you need to log in. So you will so in order to actually have the access to appeal to Twitter. So basically enter your username and password, basically, or email and password, or even phone number and password, and basically you're gonna be able to appeal from there, right? So basically, you're gonna be able to tell them that my account is suspended or locked or whatever, and I want to get it back, right? And the Twitter team will contact you. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.